Hello and welcome to another episode of Map Reading with Mr. Don. Today we are going to take a look at the Year 1 Geography End of Year Exam Paper 2023. Question 1a. State the four-figure grid reference of location A. Over here you can see this is location A and the four-figure is quite easy, right? You read downwards, so it's 4213. So the four-figure grid reference is 4213. Part B. State the six-figure grid reference of the village hall. If you look at the legend, the village hall is represented by VH. So over here on the map we have VH. So VH represents this black color square. We will count towards the right. So it's 418. Right, over here is 8 and 119. So 418, 119. We also accept answers like 419 and 118. Part C. Identify the feature found at grid square 441107. So I'm looking at the big square 4410, which is here on the bottom right hand corner. And then I count 441, followed by 107. So 7 is around here. Do you notice there's this symbol? What is this symbol? Again, let's take a look at the legend. This symbol is a mosque. So for part C, your answer is mosque. Part D. State the contour interval of this map. Remember, contour interval means the difference, right, in height between two consecutive contour lines. So over here, the contours are increasing, right, by 100 meters. So your answer is 100 meters. Take note again, if you do not put meters, you won't get the mark. Part E. State the direction in which the river is flowing. Okay, where's the river? The river is here and is represented by arrows. So if you were to trace the river going downwards, what direction is this? If you were to draw the arrow, this way would be southeast. So the river is flowing southeast. Part F. There are two slopes, X and Y. Identify the slope that is steeper. So you take a look at the slope, right? Here is X and here is Y. So we look at how far apart or how close together the contour lines are. So the slope that is steeper, right? If it's steeper, it means that the contour lines are closer together, right? Here is closer together. Therefore, X is steeper. Part G. Calculate the straight line distance between the two schools. Show your working. Present your answer in kilometers, rounded off to 2 decimal places. Before we locate the two schools, let us look at the scale. Okay, the scale is represented here. Again, as with past practices, 1 cm on the map represents 0.5 kilometers in actual distance. Because 50,000 cm divide by 100,000, I get 0.5. So that's in kilometers. Where are the two schools? So one school is here, and the other school is here. Let me activate my ruler. I will draw a straight line between these two schools and measure the distance. So after I measure the distance, I found out it is 10 cm. 10 cm, I will multiply by the scale over here, 0.5. So 10 times 0.5 gives me 5 kilometers. So that's your answer for part G. Remember to show your working because 1 mark will be given for your working. And lastly, part H. Using map evidence, describe 2 reasons why the villages developed in those areas. So over here we have village T and we also have a fishing village. So the main reason is probably due to the river. Why do they want to develop near the river? Firstly, you can say that the river provides water for domestic purposes, right? Such as bathing, cooking, cleaning, etc. Secondly, you can also say that the river provides fish for food for the villagers, or when they catch the fish, they can sell it to gain some income. Otherwise, another reason could be it is located near the river as it provides irrigation water for their farmland. So the water from the river can be used to irrigate their farmland. So let me write down the answers for you. Please check your answers. The teacher also will have sent out the answers to you. This is a very simple map reading activity. So once again, do make use of section A to pull up your marks, because the answers are very short and we test you more on the skills needed. That's all. If you still have any doubts or questions, do not hesitate to contact me or leave your question in the comments below. Thank you.